think there's a mistaken idea that place-based innovation is a playbook that you can sit down anywhere. It's not. The place is the key ingredient.
About a decade ago, Oak Ridge National Lab came to TVA and told us they were starting this technology accelerator. And we thought it was a great idea. TVA is the largest public power provider in the United States. We are now projecting and experiencing tremendous load growth. We've got to be prepared and ready to generate more electricity. We need it to be affordable. We need it to be efficient, safe, and reliable.
Innovation and entrepreneurship is so important for overall community and economic development. That's the source of real commercial growth that I think is going to be important to the success of cities and regions and even the entire country.
Density of innovation-focused entrepreneurs in this region has increased over the last decade. And the capacity of the institutions and the ecosystem to support those entrepreneurs has increased.
This community has gotten really good at referring entrepreneurs from one to another mentor in order to complete what that particular entrepreneur needs.
Some of the founders that find their way to Innovation Crossroads are working on some really challenging technology. Innovation Crossroads is a unique program where a founder can spend 2 years dedicated to figuring out their technology, making sure it works, but also developing their market and figuring out how to commercialize eventually.
The opportunity for a company to interact with a national laboratory is an incredible opportunity. The people, the facilities, the resources, the knowledge, the capability, the capacity at a national laboratory, particularly Oak Ridge National Laboratory, is unequaled. If you go through Innovation Crossroads, you have commercial credibility. You've worked with the very best scientists in the world. You've been educated. You have a great mentor network there. You're connected. You have technical credibility. It's a once-in-a-lifetime period and space where all these things converge. If you want to do something in energy and advanced manufacturing and materials, this is a place to be, and it's not something that anybody can replicate.